Hi everyone, in this short tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change your username in the Discord application on your iPhone. So let me find Discord application on my phone and after that tap on that. And once you on the messages section you can click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and once you here you can tap on gear at the top right corner, and after that once you here you can tap on your account right here, and once you here you can tap on your username and just change it and type in here whatever you want. And now if you tap on save button, your username will be able to successfully save. That's it. I hope it helps. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Discord application.